At Rocketbook, we spend our days thinking about new, endlessly reusable notebooks. But sometimes motivation is just a word that rhymes with innovation. And even if every page is filled, it doesn't mean you feel fulfilled. We realized that just because we can't build inspiration in a lab doesn't mean we can't solve it with technology. So, we called up our friends over at Panda Planner. Together, we combined Rocketbook technology with their top-rated planner framework, which is scientifically designed to help you overcome stress and become a productivity machine. Introducing the Rocketbook Panda Planner, the world's first endless planner exclusively designed to crush your goals and then do it all over again. Here's how it works. Like other Rocketbook notebooks, you can write, scan, and erase your pages when you use any pen from the Pilot friction line. But inside the Rocketbook Panda Planner is printed page after page of powerful life planning tools. The Goals section is based on research-validated goal-setting principles. Step by step, you get your goals out of your head and prioritized with a plan of action that leads to success. The high-impact daily section encourages routines to build a happiness habit and increase your productivity. Every Sunday, you'll review your progress and plan the upcoming week to smash your professional and personal objectives. For a rolling outlook of the weeks ahead, there's an annual event planner, as well as a critical 3-month Zoom window which drives focus and habit tracking. Inside, you'll also find many more constructive tools and of course a free-form note-taking section in the back. The Rocketbook Panda Planner also works with the Rocketbook App, so you can quickly snapshot your entire planner and instantly blast it online to cloud services you already use. Rocketbook technology allows you to access your digital snapshot from any device, and our handwriting intelligence makes your planner searchable across platforms. It's time to compose your goals, draft your happiness, and pen your success. Now you can plan your future with the future of planners. This is the Rocketbook Panda Planner.